Oh, I never even noticed this Gemini. This Gemini right here. Exterior Gemini has Gentech camera for number one. And number two, it also has a Gentech camera. What kind of scroll does it have? That is a giant compressor. Yeah, what kind is it? I don't even know. Can't even reach over it. That's some coil damage too. Giant disconnect box. Yeah, it's a split system. These things are extremely loud. Carrier Gemini. Here on the refrigerator. And it's from 2011. I don't know the tonnage. Sorry, I have the look here for the tonnage. I actually don't even know the tonnage. It doesn't even say. It doesn't even give good options. Definitely not a 1 ton. This thing's massive. Absolutely massive. This thing does have some coil damage. It's been exposed. Jeez. My air conditioner is a Bryant. Is this even a heat pump? Oh, it is. That is a giant reversing valve. Jeez. Alright. Let's turn it off here.